I'm becoming more and more scared in the sense that it can happen now anywhere at any time.
These missionaries pray for peace in the wake of another attack, this time targeting a church and taking the life of Father Hamel. The news spread rapidly to Carroll Gardens, where Brooklyn's French community lives.
It's terrible. He's a savage. We don't do that.
Father Joseph Nugent of St. Agnes Church ministers to the Carroll Gardens community. He himself said Mass shortly after the news broke.
As I was going in to celebrate Mass, I said, God forbid something like this should happen here. Maybe my throat's going to get cut. Maybe some of the people here are going to be hurt.
As the community searches for answers, they turn to their faith and their ultimate example, Christ.
He didn't reply violently to those who attacked him, so I think we have to do the same and just follow his steps till the end.
This church's namesake, St. Agnes, was one of the early martyrs of the faith. Now, just this morning, Father Jacques Hamel joins this group of men and women who were killed for Catholicism. And as Pope Francis has said time and time again, the blood of the martyrs is the seeds of the faith.
We live for the kingdom. We live for the kingdom of heaven, and everything that leads us there is a grace.
Though jihadists vow to strike again, Father Nugent says the faithful should not hide.
I think we should open the doors of the churches and let the spirit and the power of good overcome the evil that surround us.
For Currents from Carroll Gardens, I'm Katie Breidenbach.